Schwanke for the Gift and Home channel, and we're back talking about interior florals with colors, containers, and trends. And black and white has been so very popular in today's marketplace. What's happening with it? We're now adding other colors and blending it. And in this case, blending green. And this is the exact color we're talking about. A seafoam or mintier green that speaks to our eco-chic trends that are available in today's market. Also, how our containers themselves are reminiscent of botanical materials. In this case, canthus leaves. But let's not forget one of the most primitive things that we have, the bulb. In this oversized, overscaled amaryllis with a natural bulb at the bottom. That shape and geometric form is so important in containers today. Notice that our faceted container even has that bulbous shape. And what about flowers and plants? Succulents and amaryllis, cherry blossoms. Succulents have taken the foreground because a succulent or a cactus is a symbol of power. It also is a symbol of water conservation and strength of a flower being able to live in the desert. A perfect opportunity for us to look at that, with all sorts of different shapes and sizes of succulents in these arrangements. Also notice our black and white faceted translucent chandelier, blending the silver and the black and the white together. But let's take a look at something else being paired with black and white. How about pink? A perfect opportunity to look at pink because we're seeing pink reintroduced along with black and white with a purple cast to it, almost a fuchsia type appearance. We're also seeing the color mauve. Yes, I said it, a revisit for us from the 70s, but updated with that hint of purple and as a hydrangea or a hyacinth or even ruffled tulips at the base of this arrangement. We talked about bulbous shapes, so look at how that bulb shape is reminiscent here in our white container, but even more symbolic in this beautiful wire container looking just like a crocus or an iris bulb coming together. And our flowers, fished through there and weighted with rocks at the base. Bringing those colors together. Dahlias, lilies, cherry blossoms, ranunculus, all sorts of wild flowers brought together for us for floral trends that evoke botanical correctness. We'll be back with more colors, trends, and containers for the Gift and Home channel. I'm Jay Schwanke.